on factorization of algebraic expression. We are now going to look at another type of factorization, and that is grouping terms. Let's look at example number 1. Factorize 2AP plus AQ minus BQ minus 2BP. So you look at the solution. The first thing to do is to group or pair the terms so that each pair will have a common factor. Do you have common factors here? 2AP, AQ. Yes, A is common. BQ, 2BP. We have a common factor, BB. So we put the terms with the common factors into brackets. Now, when you factorize the minus sign or the negative sign outside, it affects the sign inside. So when you factorize negative outside minus BQ minus 2BP, the term in the bracket sign is going to also change. It will change from subtraction to addition. Let's look at something here. Let's try to expand this side. Negative into BP plus 2BP. BQ plus 2BQ. The negative sign here will affect the BQ to make it negative BQ. Now, negative times positive, it also becomes negative. So in effect, we see that we haven't changed anything. It's the same minus BP minus 2BP. Now let's continue. The next step is to factorize each pair or binomial separately. We have 2AP plus AQ. A is a common factor, so when you factorize it outside, we are going to be left with 2P plus Q inside the bracket. We bring our minus sign here. We factorize B outside, so BQ will be left with Q inside the bracket, and then 2BP will be left with 2P. Let's look at something. 2P plus Q is the same as Q plus 2P because addition is commutative, so we can rearrange it to make it minus B into 2P plus Q. Now we have 2P plus Q to be common. 2P plus Q, 2P plus Q. So when you factorize it out, you'll be left with what? A minus B. So we have there's a common term. So we factorize it out, we have our 2P plus Q into A minus B. So when you factorize 2AP plus AQ minus 2BP minus 2BQ minus 2BP, this is the final answer you get. We are looking at another example, example number 2. We have to factorize NP minus NT plus NP minus NT. So we look at the solution. NP, NT, no common factor. NP, NT, no common factor. So we have to rearrange or regroup. So if you bring the NP to this side, then we're going to have NP plus NP. And then we bring the minus NT to this side, it's going to be minus NT minus MT. Now we have P to be common here, T to be common here. We are going to put the pairs of terms into brackets. Once again, if you factorize the negative sign outside, it affects the sign in the middle. So the minus here will then change to addition. The next thing is to factorize common terms, common factors out. So since P is a common factor, we factorize it out, and we have M plus N in the bracket. We factorize T out here, and we left with N plus M. We now have M plus N, N plus M, which are the same. Like I said earlier on, addition is commutative. So we can factorize M plus N out, and we'll be left with P minus T in the bracket. So we get into bracket M plus N times into bracket P plus T, and that's the factorized form. We are looking at another example. Factorize x squared minus ax plus bx minus ab. So you look at the solution. Do you have common terms xx? Yes. Do you have common terms here bb? Yes. So you put them into brackets. The next step is to factorize the common terms out. So mind you, x squared is x times x. So when you bring x out, you'll be left with 1x here. Ax, when you bring the x out, you are left with a. Common factor is b. When you bring the b out, this term will be left with x, and this term will be left with a. We have x minus a to be common to both terms, so we factorize it out. If we take out x minus a, we are going to be left with x plus b. So we have x minus a, x plus b, and that's the factorized form. Let's do another short exercise on what has been learned and come back and continue the lesson.